Welcome to this Mediterranean oasis on the Deschutes River Canyon. Designed and built by Jess Alway, this home is brimming with one-of-a-kind architectural details. Framed by mountains with views of wildlands, it's ideally situated near the clubhouse and pool. A beautiful scalloped paver drive leads to the entry, where music plays from the built-in audio system. Inside, portico windows and rising arches soak the entry in light. Vaults and arches continue, a masterfully crafted home that's awe-inspiring, yet also warm and inviting. The main room is bracketed by two sizable gas fireplaces, with random plank white oak flooring throughout. A custom barn door conceals the entertainment system. The great room opens to the gourmet kitchen, where a feature island shows off custom granite, and you'll find top-of-the-line Wolf appliances, a pot filler, and abundant storage space. Complete with a butler's pantry and built-ins, the elegant dining room is ready for entertaining. The sumptuous master suite is a relaxing retreat with its own sitting area and a cozy fireplace. With ample space, a clawfoot tub, travertine, heated floors, and spa-inspired features, the luxurious master bath offers a perfect escape. You'll find additional large bedrooms in this home of more than 3,200 square feet. Head out onto the expansive patio and take in the serene setting. Other features include a built-in security system, dual-zone heating and cooling, drip system and irrigation, and a 50-year roof. An oasis on the river, offering beautiful features and finishes to draw the eye and soothe the soul. You'll find it all here, ready for you to call home. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. For more information or your own personal tour, please contact Rihanna Kunkler with Premier Property Group at 503-318-8452.